Before you watch this video, this is a preview of a video that is in the works right now for a class, and this is basically the behind the scenes of that and kind of like some extra clips. So enjoy this little quick preview of that video. And of course that video will be on this channel and maybe another channel or something, I don't know yet. But yeah, continue with the video. Action. Action.
Shit. I didn't know when to start and then it just fell on accident. Were you guys ready for it? No.
I think so.
It was just a really long pause.
Yeah.
We can cut it. We can cut it.
Okay.
We'll cut away to just in his face and then straight back to it.
That's not that visible.
Actually, it's not that visible. Action.
Shit.
A little behind the scenes action.
Jesus Christ.
TMZ.
Just gotta wear your art, you know? Oh, it's on my glasses again.
You getting bloopers?
Yeah. We'll have those.
Alright.
Oh. Hey there, didn't see you there. If you like what you saw in this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You can click right up there to subscribe to this channel. And if you want to see the last video that we did on this channel, click right over here. Was that good?